Otoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan. Links to buy are available in description. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and press bell icon. Ultra bright 18 individual low-powered LED bulbs. The fan has high and low settings to provide nice air circulation and lit up the tent nicely. High quality brushless motor for whisper operation, max wind speed 10 feet per square, strong airflow and 2 setting speeds. Light up to 37 hours of regular, continuous use with enough battery capacity. 2D batteries can keep the fan work for 5 hours in high speed mode, and 15 hours in low speed mode, 20 hours for LED light.